Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, August the 16th, 2024. Already solved 2 puzzles, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Number 9107. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 18 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Then, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. And between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.